Hi kids! So we thought we would do a quick little video about the yarn weaving. It's actually really fun and easy once you get going with it, but it's easier to explain by actually getting to see it. So you have your yarn board here. Pick out whatever color of string you want. And it's best to keep this string a little bit short. If you have a really long piece, you'll see that it's actually kind of frustrating to work with after a while. So to start your yarn weaving off, you're just going to make a big knot in the middle of where all of your strings meet, okay, right in the middle of your board. So I'm just tucking it under there like that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tie a couple of knots to get it really nice and tight, okay? And you can use some scissors and cut off the end. For our really young friends, this is something that you'll want to ask a parent or a brother or sister to do for you. So now my string is attached there. Now I'm going to start actually weaving. So I'm going to pick up a string, any string is fine, and I'm going to tuck my string underneath it and pull it tight. And then I'm going to skip a string and do it again. So I'm going to do a pattern all the way around. So I'm going to go under a string, over a string, under a string, over a string, over and over and over again, okay? So I'm gonna skip that one, go to this one, I'm gonna skip this one, go to this one, and every couple times, if you want, you can go under a couple of strings and then pull it tight, but you do want to pull it tight every once in a while, otherwise you'll end up with kind of a knot. So see how it's starting to weave around? So I was just under this one, so I'm going to skip this one and go to this one, pull my string through, skip, go under this one. Okay, and I'm going to speed up a little bit just to show you what it'll start to look like. So I have my end of my string here. I'm going to skip one, go under one, skip, go under one. That one I'm going to skip, I'm going to go under this one. And I'm just doing this over and over and over again. And again, I don't want to go too far without pulling my string tight. I'm gonna pull all the way. You don't want to pull too tight. If I pull really, really hard, then my string kind of disappears and then you can't see all of your hard work. So don't pull too tight. So I'm gonna keep going for a little bit longer. And every once in a while, you might want to change your pattern a little bit. So to do that, I might decide that I'm going to skip two, just once, and then that will get me onto a different pattern. So see how you can start to see that these ones I've always skipped. So I'm gonna go under two for just this one time, just to change up my pattern a little bit. So now, I'm gonna skip this one, go under, skip, go under. And you just keep going round and round and round. So see how my pattern just switched a little bit? And when you run out of string, you'll just take whatever color of string that you wanna use next and go ahead and tie it to the end of your string here, okay? So this will be a good practice for maybe some of us in actually tying our strings together. To go all around and around, okay? If you have any beads that you wanna put onto it, you can do that too, which is really fun. So if you have pony beads or something sitting at home, you could stick a couple of those on so that you have actually little beads going around your weave too, which is really fun. All right, have fun. We would love to see some pictures once you get done with your creation.